Another mystery from Nick. Find out what's in it right here on Gary's Stuff. Hello there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today is the third mystery box sent to me by Nick Johnson. Nick had this idea that he would send me every now and again something completely unexpected normally. I don't know what's in the package. And I say to him, well, first of all, I'll open it on a video. And then I promise I'll make it, whatever it happens to be. Okay, so the first one was a Terror Cruiser with a Mason missile, which actually I'm building at the moment. It's going together very well. The second were a couple of egg planes. Never made an egg plane before, but around Easter he sent me a couple of Easter eggs. And then, just today I got a box, a massive box of stuff, all sorts of things, kits and diorama materials, waters and muds, weathering stuff, just an insane amount of things, frankly. But included in it was his latest mystery box. Now, I've opened up everything else. I haven't opened this yet. It says on here, never seen on YouTube, which is good. Never heard of it. It's weird and bizarre. Surely it did not work. Enjoy. Let's see what it is. I mean, what would you think it is? Surely it didn't work? Sure it must have done. Otherwise they wouldn't have made a... I've put this on Monday Matters in the past. It did fly, I promise you. The Zerbe Air Sedan. This is a close coupled quadriplane. All right, so you've got four. There you go, four wings, as it were. I think it actually flew. There's a picture of it, a photograph of it. I have an idea this actually did fly, but I'm gonna have to look this up. But Nick, mate, that is just a joy. It's you know, I love weird stuff. And a close coupled quadriplane where the forward plane does the pitch. And where's the roll control in it? How do you do roll? How do you turn? Amazing. Nick, thank you so very much, mate. This is going into the build schedule, I promise you. Wow, what a weird thing. And I love it. I just love it. 1/48 scale. It's by Avis, who make a lot of these really weird things. Oh, I say, and included is some Ushi rigging. Rig that thing, it says. And some Ushi rigging. I don't know if it takes a lot of rigging. Anyway, there's transparent parts, there's other parts. Oh, there's a little bit of photo etch. I'm going to love building this, Nick. Thank you so much. Right, so that's going to go into the schedule very soon. Zerbe Air Sedan, Nick, amazing. That's it for the moment. That's all I wanted to say. Actually, do you know what? I'll do a little bit of research into this and just put up after this a little bit about this thing, because I'm pretty sure it actually did fly. In any case, thank you, Nick. Thank you for watching. Do hang around and find out a little bit more about this. I'll catch you up very soon. Don't forget Monday Matters. Don't forget to check out my builds. If you haven't done so yet, please do. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified of all my future builds as they arrive, including this bonkers aeroplane. And of course, everything you see on my channel that you like, please give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. Thanks so much for tuning in for this. I'll catch you again very, very soon. Take care now, and goodbye.